Hey everyone! We all know Pika Art AI has introduced some cool cake features like squeezing the image and cutting the image. And in addition to that, they have launched 4 new effects, and we are going to see about that in this video. So for those who don't know, just Google Pika Art, you will be getting the Pika Art AI and just create an account in that. So after signing in, you will be taken to an interface like this. And under Pika effect, if you just click this, here you can see they have given us 4 new features. So the first feature is the vanishing of the object. So here you can see this is just a video, and just put a handkerchief and the main focus in that video just vanishes. So basically they're just removing the main object in that video. And next one is crumble, as they name it's called as crumble it. So this basically breaks down a particular statue or an object. And the next effect is going to be dissolve it, which is this one. It just fades away. Yeah, fades away into thin air, something like this. Just a cool feature. And final one is deflate it. So this is like, sucking that particular object, just goes off, just blowing out the air in case of like an air filled balloon or something. So these are the 4 features that they have done. So to implement this, just go to image, click this and select the image which you want to convert, open, and click on Pika effect and just click on, I will go with crumble or I'll go with dissolve. Dissolve is better, and just click on this.